What's up, everybody? It's your girl Glenda, and you are back watching another episode of Whatcha Cookin Glenda. If you would like to be part of G Squad, all you have to do is click that subscribe button. Make sure you hit the notification bell so that you are notified every time we upload a new video. Now, on to this video. This is a two-part video, so make sure you stay tuned for the second part. This part is our HEB grocery haul. We hope everybody is doing well. That's like a whole cut in, right? We hope everybody is doing well, and you guys are having a great weekend. Today is Friday. This is the Friday before Labor Day. So hopefully you will see this video pretty soon, but it will be after Labor Day. All right, so the first part of this video is going to be the HEB grocery haul, and the second part of the video is going to be Target. So let's get started over here. We've got some bread. I got 3 loaves of bread. Here's the second one. Here's one, and then there's one right up under here. All right. Some brioche buns back here. 2 of these brioche buns. The other one is right up under there. Let me try to zoom in. And then we've got stuff for salads. So there's my cracked black pepper Caesar kit, and then sticking with the salads, some blue cheese crumbles, the cherub tomatoes, and then I got some chicken salad as well. This is HEB's rotisserie chicken salad. Delicious. If you've never had it and have an HEB in your neighborhood, make sure that you try this. We have a box of 50/50 at the bottom. I'm trying to get some room here. This is some green leaf lettuce, some salad topper, mushrooms. That box of 50/50. I know it's upside down, y'all. And then let me put all this back. Y'all saw the white wings tortillas back there. And then I love to add these wonton strips to my salad at the top. They taste really good. We have some cucumbers, which is just one, and this is just a seedless cucumber. Thank you, Curtis. Go ahead. And then we've got a couple of green bell peppers, an orange bell pepper, a yellow bell pepper. We're going to be trying out a new dish with some of these peppers, so stay tuned. We will record that. Got some Roma tomatoes, plenty of them. A couple of lemons, large lemons, 2 zucchini and 2 squash and 2 zucchini back here, right there. All right, let's move this way. For Labor Day, we're going to be having some burgers. So there are the ground chuck burgers right there. We have 2 packages of those. And then everything, let me back up, you guys. I have a red onion right here as well. Curtis is just kind of taking things as I say them. Here, I'll give you, and putting it up. So back here we've got some pepper jack cheese for burgers since it's round. We also have some Kobe and Monterey Jack cheese, some romaine lettuce leaves for the burgers. Now that romaine lettuce, y'all, it was substituted out because I asked for a lettuce called Better Burger lettuce, Better Burger leaf lettuce, okay? And that was they didn't have any more, so it got substituted. All right, so we told you about the wonton strips. Let me come forward here. The bacon bits, of course, for my salads. Some of the honey roasted pecan pieces. Love these, love these, love these. We've got some ground turkey, 2 of these. I already showed you the ground chuck. Some ranch, family size bottle. Milk for cereal. Some Velveeta cheese for enchiladas. At some point, I'm gonna make some of those. Back to the burgers, we've got some Pitmaster cut thick bacon. Pitmaster. So this was part of like some like Labor Day special, because I don't typically get this kind of bacon, but yeah. So then we have some regular ground chuck here for some other meals. These beef sausage, which will be part of the meal that I'm going to be making, what, tomorrow? We said tomorrow? Then I got a box of bacon here. I think this has like 3 packages in this box. Some breakfast links. You guys have seen that on my channel before. If you watch, these are the kielbasa breakfast links. We got 3 of these. No, 4. 4 of those. Alright, moving right along. In this bag are some thin sliced chicken breast. I'm gonna put y'all in the bag so y'all can see. Some thin sliced chicken breast. We got 2 packages of these also for that meal that I was telling you about earlier. Over here we've got 2 bags of 5-pound, 2 5-pound bags of potatoes. I can't talk today, y'all, so excuse me. These are red and then the gold potatoes. All right. We've got some Rotel. Three cans of Rotel. I was trying to do this in order, but it ain't working out. We got some Wolf Brand chili, 4 cans of Wolf Brand chili and 4 cans of Rotel. Some Prego tomato basil garlic flavor, also for that same dish. Some almond milk. This is what our store's almond milk looks like now. So it's a little different than what you may have seen on previous videos. So they've got like a, you see this, Curtis? Higher Harvest by HEB. And we've got 2 of these lemonades. And definitely got to have that grenadine syrup to go with it. Add this to that lemonade and it's the bomb. Hold on, y'all. It's kind of... Alright, moving right along. We've got some corn tortillas here. Some Krusteaz buttermilk pancake mix. 2 of those. Some watermelon. A 5-pound bag of jasmine rice. Some Grand's biscuits right here. And then back there, let me see if I can zoom in, is these Old Folks Pernell Old Folks sausage patties, the hot kind because they were out of the mild. Then behind that is some Captain Crunch, and then what's the box behind it, Curtis? You lift that up, please. Some Fruit Loops, Willy Wonka style, and some corn pops. Comment below if y'all had corn pops before. And as well as behind that is some Frosted Flakes. In this bag here are 2 packages of beef stew meat, like stew meat, you know, that I normally make carne asadas with, and so on and so forth. So I think that is all for our HEB haul. And please just stay tuned for the Target haul because it's coming right up right about now. Okay, so we're back with our Target haul. Just a little small haul from Target. We needed some more room sprays. So we have this lavender scent here. Hold up. Okay, so we have the lavender scent here. don't know why this ain't focusing right now. Let me back up some. We also have the honeysuckle. You guys, I'm so sorry that this camera is not focusing on my phone. I'm not sure why, but it's not. And we also have some of the rainwater and then the peony scent. We needed some more refills, and just in time for fall, we got the golden pumpkin and spice. We have two double packs of those, one double pack of those. Then that Old Faithful Hawaiian Breeze and the clean linen for our automatic sprays. But I think that we're still just gonna maybe put one of these in each one of the bathrooms, because yeah, we needed some more spray bottles, so picked up 3 of these spray bottles from Target, as well as got me some gum that I probably ain't gonna even chew, some Skippy peanut butter, 2 beef bolognese. I can't wait to make me a sandwich out of this. And some Deli Fresh honey smoked turkey breast, as well as a 12 pack of Dr. Pepper and a 15 pack of the Pepsi. Let me turn those over so you can actually see them. There we go. And then this Pepsi is the, I think it's the 15 pack. Wild cherry Pepsi. All right, so that is our small Target haul. And if you want to see more videos like this, all you have to do is click that subscribe button. Make sure you hit the notification bell so that you are updated every time we upload a new video. And we will see you guys on the next episode of Whatcha Cookin Glenda. Bye, y'all. I hope y'all have a great week.